Welcome to Discount Forklift YouTube channel. Congratulations on your beautiful Raymond. We got the stand-up breech aisle. We got Nyla here. She's been serviced by one of our techs. We got the 2-stage option with the safety painted forks on there. Show you how this baby runs. We got the on switch. Congratulations once again. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a free forklift maintenance guide for you. It's got a free t-shirt and a free hat. Here we got our daily forklift pre-shift operational inspection checklist. Got our 6-week, 250-hour forklift maintenance checklist and our 12-month, 2,000-hour forklift maintenance checklist. Congratulations once again. She is ready to go home.